Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to study about bases and salt. So, students, bases are defined as those substances which are bitter in taste, जो स्वाद में कड़वे होते हैं, and produce a soapy feeling. And substances which contain a base are said to be basic in nature. Let us take some example like baking soda, sodium hydroxide, and antacids. Students, you have baking soda in your homes. It is used for preparing or baking food. So if you will taste baking soda, take a pinch of baking soda on your tongue. That taste defines bitterness. That is what this bitter taste describes bases. Now, you can also see one more example, that is soapy feeling. So you have seen soaps in your home. When you will see the surface of soap, it is slippery or soapy. So substances which are soapy or produce a soapy feeling are bases. Now, what are properties of bases? Students, all bases shows some properties which are as follows. First one is stated earlier as bases are bitter in taste. Second one is bases turns red litmus paper into blue. And as acids, bases are also corrosive in nature. Now, let us study the uses of bases. Calcium hydroxide, its formula is CaOH का whole twice, is used for whitewashing. It is also used to neutralize the acidity of soil. The very second example, that is sodium hydroxide, NaOH, it is used for manufacturing bleaching powder, paper soaps, etc. Very third example, in manufacturing of fertilizers, you commonly know them as खाद, such as ammonium nitrate, a base called ammonium hydroxide, that is NH4OH, is used. So this is all about bases. Students, now let us discuss about salt. Salt are defined as substances which are formed by reaction of an acid with a base. Examples are NaCl, that is common salt, sodium chloride, KCl, MgCl2, etc. Students, in a way, we can say that a salt has two parents, an acid and a base. So the name of salt consists of two parts. One is derived from the name of base and other is derived from the name of acid. For example, sodium chloride. Now, to understand this clearly, we should study this, that is neutralization. The reaction in which an acid react with a base to form salt and water is called neutralization. So, we can understand that what salt is? A reaction of an acid with a base. And what is a reaction of an acid with a base? It is neutralization. You can see it with saying example, a acid react with a base and gives salt and water. Now take an example. HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, react with base, that is sodium hydroxide, and gives sodium chloride, salt, plus water. So this is all about neutralization reaction.